how to reset forgotten WeChat password. So if you have forgot your WeChat password, then first of all open up your WeChat application. And once you've opened, now you can go for login, which is on the bottom left. And then you need to enter your mobile number to log into your account. Or you can also go to other login options and you can log in with your WeChat ID or your email or your QQ ID. So I'll be choosing email. And once you've entered your email, here you need to enter your password, right? But if you forgot your password, then what you can do is simply go for unable to login, which is on the bottom left. And now you can choose the third option, which is reset password through email. Tap on that, and then you need to enter your linked email address that you have used to create your WeChat account. Simply enter your email address and then tap on next. And here you need to check your message in your mailbox. Simply open up your mail, and here you can tap on OK and you can check your mail. So simply open up your mail and then you can follow the instructions to reset your password. So you can simply click on the link or you can simply click on anything that they will instruct you, and it will directly take you to the reset password page. So from there you can reset your password. So this is the way to reset your password on WeChat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.